Or is it, what's going on here? Wow. The owner is meeting all of the guys doing the work right now. This is a hands-on owner. I have never seen this before, and I've done several construction projects here in Las Vegas. I've never seen an owner come down to the site and actually check out what they're doing and do the work itself. I've seen them do photo ops, but I have not seen that. That is impressive. This is what you call hands-on, Phil. Indeed. Wow. By the way, I tagged that sledgehammer in the shop, so if you guys are looking for a good sledgehammer, you can order it right here. I'm gonna tag that wrench as well. Okay, for those guys who are new, it's kind of an inside joke around here, but yeah, it is. You know, I do sell stuff. Tuna Tush? Indeed, I am. I grew up in a hardware store. My family owned a True Value, so yeah, this stuff does impress me. When I see simple tools like that, just like a sledgehammer and some wrenches and some bolts, putting together something like this and holding together, it just blows my mind. All right. It looks like it's done, guys. Congratulations, we got the first truss up, yes. Nice job, Mr. Fisher. It looks like we got this thing pretty much raised. That is a very, very happy John Fisher. Happy June 1st, Mr. Fisher. You know, I don't know much about the man. I just know what I see done. And I know, I mean, again, I know like just the names when I see these projects being built. But I see the smile on this guy's face. I don't know. It's a genuine sort of thing, and I've seen photo ops. It's like I'm not saying I can easily be impressed by someone hammering a nail, but there's something different about this one. There's something different about how this is handled. Anyways, you guys saw it here first on the Jedi Joy Rich Show. You'll see it before any of the media guys, so I hope that earned a like from you guys and maybe even a subscribe or a follow. I'd really appreciate that. And if you really want to get crazy, you can join the memberships. I put the membership link in the channel description, so that way, should you want to join the membership, it's only a couple bucks a month, but it gives you a little badge in the thing. Do you guys know what this process is called? Is this for show, or is this actually like, cause like just the way they're doing it, it's the timing of it is very impressive. Or were they doing it for the photo op, or is that some sort of technique that there some reason why they're doing it in that fashion? Okay, I put the membership link in the description, so if you guys really felt like it, why not? How are things looking?